feels very surreal.
Why?
I don't feel like I'm here.
Where do you feel like you are?
I'm like dreaming.
Welcome to New York City. We made it, we're here. My favorite place on earth.
On Earth?
On earth.
$25 a day.
25 a day, okay. And that's just for the days that we come ashore.
Yeah, basically, well, you're also paying, because regardless, you're in the privilege and protection of the Marina, nonetheless, right? You're in our anchorage, right? That's Coast Guard anchorage, and that's ours, so basically, that's what you're paying. Makes sense. Whether you come in or not, right?
Right. Let's do 3 days then.
Fine. Okay. 79th Street.
I was wondering if you guys have any sort of availability for this coming summer for the 26-foot center console.
Yeah, we do. There's a 7-year wait list.
7-year wait list?
Yes. Otherwise, it's transient dockage. It's $3.50 per foot per day.
This is where the laundry used to be. Used to be a washing machine right there. The bathrooms used to be operational here, but I guess they are no longer. So we have no showers and we have no laundry.
It is a windy day in New York City.
We have just arrived. It's our first step aboard land in how many days?
9.
9 days since we've gotten off the boat. Welcome to land. Welcome to New York City.
Welcome to land.
It's my favorite restaurant in the whole world. I wonder if they're open. No dogs off leash at any time.
I didn't realize I had to put you on a leash.
Follow me. Hello, birds. Well, they're not open for lunch today, but this is a great place to get a burger. Up those steps to the right. Do you feel like you're in a Sex and the City episode?
No. I'd have a cocktail in my hand if I was. Get your walking shoes on.
The Marina charges us $25 a day to anchor, whether we come ashore or not, which was not the case 3 years ago. Before, if you anchored and didn't come ashore, then they wouldn't charge you, but apparently that's changed. So what was his reasoning for charging us?
You're in like their anchorage, you're in a protected area. Which, to that I say, pull the hook up and move down the way.
Yeah.
And it's free.
Yeah, we're not in a very, overly protected area.
This feels very surreal.
Why?
I don't feel like I'm here.
Where do you feel like you are?
I'm like dreaming. This is like one of those good dreams. I'm gonna wake up and be an Oriental and I'm gonna be like, hey, no!
So after 9 days on the boat without getting off, here we are in New York City.
I wonder if we look a little punch drunk.
Upper West Side.
We should check out, see like what music is playing tonight. Like maybe we could go somewhere and see something. Even in like the most non-friendly to plants area.
I can't imagine New York City without Central Park. So it's all concrete for hundreds of blocks.
Happy hour. I'm happy. Happy hour. 4 to 8. Hey, there's a laundromat.
Yeah, there is.
Why don't we load up the dinghy? Some tomorrow or the next day and come do some clothes.
Yeah. So there's Jahzzar's across the street there. The most awesomest grocery store in the world.
My brother would love it here.
Why?
Because he loves wine and he loves food.
Aye. This is definitely the food mecca. Right across the street here on Broadway is a New York Sports Club. See all the people on the treadmills? All the street vendors.
So have you seen that jewelry store, Pandora?
No.
I think that is like the worst name for a jewelry store.
Why?
Like someone comes up to you and they hand you a box
Yeah.
that says Pandora. That's bad.
That's bad. It's been 3 years since I've been here in New York City. And it all seems so familiar. You know? I've spent enough time here in the past to think of this section of Manhattan as sort of my stomping grounds. Yeah. Sure is
Are you
awesome
familiar
to be
with
back.
the subway?
Oh yeah. Yeah.
Can you get to Brooklyn on the subway?
You can get to anywhere on the subway. Right there's a stand-up comedy place where Seinfeld can sometimes be seen doing comedy routine. I think like the tickets to get into that stand-up place are reasonably priced, but then something about how you're like required to buy drinks
Probably a 2-drink minimum.
that are like overly expensive.
That's how it is at every comedy club though.
Uh-huh. So the place we're going to is Big Nick's Burger Joint right down there. Do you want to eat outside?
It's not that close.
It's not, yeah. I mean,
People watch.
sure.
Small or big? What kind of beer?
Small or big?
Big, please. Thank you. Welcome to New York City.
Thank you.
We're at Big Nick's Pizza Joint. And they're open 24 hours a day. This place has never closed.
What are you gonna get?
I don't know. I think I'm really looking forward to that beer. Yeah, tofu pizza. So welcome to New York City. How do you feel?
Surreal.
Surreal. It is kind of wild, huh? To go from being on the boat for the past 9 days, coming from Oriental North Carolina, going through the Intracoastal Waterway to Norfolk, and then to Atlantic City. That is mine.
Not if you keep talking, it's not.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Welcome to New York.